Hey, Rockies. I'm Calvin.
And I'm Eliza.
And we are your team captains for Blizzard
2K16! Woo!
17?
Oh.
Hey, Rockies. I'm Calvin.
And I'm Eliza.
And we are your team captains for Blizzard
2K17! 2K17!
17. If you're wondering who this person is, this is Eliza. She's small, a ballerina,
Kind of.
and dancer. She teaches ballet on weekends, loves climbing mountains. She hates celery just as much as she hates cilantro.
Blech! And if you were wondering who this person is over here, this is Calvin. He loves Pokemon Go. And he has 6 siblings. Count them on my fingers, 6. And he lived in Rwanda for a little while. And he also hates cilantro.
Well, we both go to Wilfrid Laurier University.
He studies music, specifically guitar.
She studies international development, not specifically anything.
We both work at Camp Quasid, where he is called Mumbles.
She's called Arch.
We both love Jesus, like, a lot.
So much.
And
yeah, if you want to talk to us about that, you can.
that would be great. We hope you're super excited for Blizzard this coming February. We sure are. We guarantee 100% it's going to be the best weekend of your whole lives ever. Mostly because you get to hang out with us, and we are pretty cool.
Excitement level right now.
But also the Jesus thing.
Definitely the Jesus thing.
For first and foremost, the Jesus thing.
It's going to be a blast. For sure.
We hope you're all doing well, each and every one of you, and we can't wait to meet all of you in February. Calvin!
Merry Christmas to all.
Stay in school. Make good choices. We love you.